African elephants are bigger, up to 4 meters tall, 6 to 7 tons, with large flap-like ears shaped like Africa, a dipped back, and 2 finger-like tips on the trunk. Both males and females usually have tusks. Asian elephants are smaller, up to 3.5 meters tall, 4 to 5 tons, with smaller rounded ears, a rounded or straight back, and only 1 finger-like tip on the trunk. Females often have no tusks or very small ones. Asian elephants are generally calmer and more often used for work. The elephant is a very important symbol in Thailand. It stands for strength, wisdom, good luck, and royalty. Thailand calls the elephant its national animal. For hundreds of years, kings kept white elephants, light-colored ones, because they were seen as holy and a sign of power. Owning a white elephant showed you were a true king. Elephants also appear in Buddhism, art, temples, and old stories as protectors and gentle giants. In the past, they helped in wars, carried heavy things in forests, and joined royal parades. Today, even though many wild elephants face problems, Thais still love and respect them. The elephant reminds people of Thai history, pride, and kindness. In 2026, you can see wild elephants in Thailand, mainly in these national parks. Khao Yai National Park, near Bangkok. Easiest place, many elephants near roads. Kui Buri National Park, near Hua Hin. Best chance, guided tours almost always spot them. Kaeng Krachan National Park, Phetchaburi. Large population, seen near lake and waterfalls. Khao Sok National Park, south, in jungle and lake areas. Best time is the dry season, November to April. In Thailand, wild elephants increasingly leave national parks and enter residential areas in 2025 and 2026 due to shrinking forests, farms expanding into habitats, and elephants seeking food like crops and salt licks. Key incidents that made the news: 2025, villager killed by wild elephant in the province Kaeng Krachan. A 60-year-old man was trampled to death in his garden after villagers attempted to scare away a bull elephant that had strayed from a wildlife sanctuary. The same elephant had reportedly been linked to multiple earlier deaths. June 2nd, 2025, elephant raids convenience store in Nakhon Ratchasima. A wild elephant named Plai Biang Lek walked into a grocery store near Khao Yai National Park at night, eating snacks and causing minor damage. The unusual incident highlighted increasing human-elephant encounters around protected areas. June 2025, investigation after elephant reportedly shot Khao Yai area. Authorities launched an investigation after a well-known wild elephant, Plai Biang Lek, was suspected to have been shot by a local politician's relative attempting to drive elephants away from farmland near Khao Yai. 2025, rising human-elephant conflict reported nationwide. Thai wildlife authorities reported wild elephants caused 30 deaths and 29 injuries in 2025, alongside more than 2,000 crop damage incidents, reflecting growing conflict as farms expand into elephant habitats. February 2nd, 2026, tourist killed by wild elephant, Khao Yai National Park. A 69-year-old Thai tourist was trampled to death by a wild bull elephant near a campsite. Officials said the same elephant had been linked to 3 fatal attacks. February 2026, wild elephant dies during relocation, Kaeng Krachan to Loei. A male wild elephant known for attacking villagers died during a government relocation operation involving sedation and transport to a rehabilitation area sparking debate over wildlife management practices. These events show rising human-elephant conflict as forests shrink and farms grow. Authorities use relocation, birth control and awareness, but challenges continue